I was totally afraid to use the saw when I first got here. It's easy. I used one earlier.
I would recommend this to other girls because this is a camp where you get to express creativity and you get to express design and you get to learn how to use tools.
I've learned to use a big drill, a saw, and lasers. I feel more empowered, like stronger, and I feel like I can do more things because of it. I've made great friends, I've made great things, and all the women are very inspiring.
It's awesome.
Absolutely fantastic. It's really fun to come to this camp.